Okay, this next trick is called the 4-card location, and I've kind of had this idea in my head. I've been doing the 2-card location for a long time, and it really works good in actual stand-up situations. And I was thinking it would be kind of cool to have not just a 2-card location, but a 3-card location, a 4-card location, maybe even a 5-card location, where the tricks, each one where, first of all, you can do it standing up. You don't really need a table, or you don't need to lay cards out on a table. You don't need any setup. You can just take a shuffled deck and have the cards selected, and the cards are freely selected. There's no force or anything like that, and you just put them into the deck, and then you find them in some quick, entertaining way, in some impressive way where you find the cards, and at the end, when you actually reveal the cards, they're all in the correct order, so that you can hold out a card, they can tell you what the card is, flip it over, and that'll be their card. So it's just a real, kind of a real organized way. And so far I have that 2-card location I've been doing for a long time, and over Thanksgiving I came up with this 4-card location. So I still haven't really got a good 3-card location or 5-card location. But I was just thinking it would be neat to have 1 through 5 or something in case you have, or 2 through 5 in case you have 2 spectators, 3 spectators, 4 spectators, 5 spectators. You could get them all involved. So if that makes sense. So this here is the 4-card location. So in fact, you can have 4 cards freely selected. Just to make it easy on our memories, I'm going to take the 1 through the ace through 4 of spades. There we go. And let's for memory's sake, let's pretend that those are the 4 cards that are selected. Ace, 2, 3, 4 spades. So now I'm going to have these cards lost in the deck. We'll put your card back. Okay, very good. Sir, if you'd put your card back here. There you go. Thank you very much. And sir, if you could put your card back. Okay, very good. And before we put that back, let's just make sure none of the cards that you guys chose are near the top, right? And none of your cards are near the bottom there. Okay, so they have to be somewhere in the center. So sir, let's put your card back in the center there. Okay, there's your card right there. Okay, and sir, if you would just push it there into the center. There you go. Thank you very much. Good. So all 4 cards then are lost into the center of the deck. But I'm going to find all 4 cards. Are you watching? It's done. Just like that. What was your card, sir? The ace of spades? Ah, there it is. Your card, 2 of spades. And your card, 3 of spades. And what was your card? The 4 of spades. And just like that, you find all 4. Okay? So that's a 4-card location, and it has those conditions where there's no setup, no force, just any 4 freely chosen cards. They can put it back into the deck. And it just, it looks real free as you put it back into the deck. And then really instantly, in some impressive way, you found all 4 cards. And then notice at the end, you could hold the card out. They name their card, and it's each of their cards. It goes right in order. Okay, it works real nice like that. The only thing is this here, when you find the 4, you grab 2, and then these need to go down on the table. And then you grab 4 cards like that. So in a sense, it's you need to be standing at a table, which oftentimes you are. You don't need to have a lot of room on the table, but you need to drop the deck on the table. You could try to have someone hold out their hands and catch the deck. I'm not sure how well that would work. But here's how to do the trick. Okay, suppose those are the... Suppose these are the 4 cards that were selected here. Okay, have the first person put their card back in the deck. and you get a break above it. Dribble these down. Dribble them down. Have the next person put their card back, and you get a break below it, and you can dribble these on there again. Spread it out. Have this person put their card back, and then you get a break above it. And now what I do, before I have the last card replaced, I just take off some of the top cards and show them to the first 3 spectators and just say, your card is not in here at all, is it? And they'll say no. I put those on top, and then I'm still holding the break here. I turn the deck over so that it splits apart at the break, and then I grab it and grab a break. I retain the break with my little finger, and I spread over some bottom cards and ask them, your cards aren't here on the bottom either. And then I make the point that their card is thus must be in the center somewhere, which they will agree. And then when I flip the deck back over to have that card selected, I do a turnover pass. And that's going to bring 2 of the cards, the ace and the 3 to the top, the 2 on the bottom. And now I spread these out and have this card replaced. And then what I do is I show that one, and then I just do a bottom placement where I switch that card, and then the 4 goes on the bottom. And then they can put the card into the center like that. And then it really looks like all 4 cards are in the center somewhere, because you just showed the top and bottom cards, and then you've had that card very fairly pushed into the center. And so now you're going to find them all. You throw it like this, grab those 2, throw it like this, grab those 2. This is actually what you got. So if you take the left-hand card, put them on to the right-hand cards, ask the person here on your left their card, and it'll be theirs. This will be the next one, and the final one. Just like that. So that's the 4-card location.